this week we've had 2 courses running simultaneously. We've had Ballet Course 4, which is really for those ballet students who are kind of intermediate advanced level or just about to embark on vocational training or have had their first year in vocational training. And we've also been running Wales International Ballet Summer School, which is really for those students that are just finishing their training or working professionally. They've been working on stage every day with guest teacher Sander Blommaert, who's been absolutely amazing. They've also had classes with myself and with Darius, with Dan, who's our guest teacher this week as well. So both courses have been working with a range of teachers. Louise Lloyd, our Access and Outreach Officer, has created a beautiful piece with Ballet Course 4. Dan and Gwen have been doing some Piquita repertoire with Ballet Course 4. With the international course, Sander's been doing Bluebird Pas de Deux from Sleeping Beauty, which is really difficult, but he's given them fantastic coaching on that.
Don't forget to extend after the third one in the last time. This week I've been rehearsing the Bluebird Pas de Deux with the highest group here and with the Ballet Cymru company dancers, and they have worked really, really well. In my opinion, it's the hardest Pas de Deux in Sleeping Beauty, so to be performing this today on day 6 is just fantastic, and they've done really well.
And also Patricia Vallis has been developing a piece with the international course that piece is also going to be embedded into Ballet Cymru's Triple Bill, which will be being performed in November. So it's been a really busy week, but such a lovely end to 2 weeks of summer courses here at the Riverfront.